Whoa! Hey! Tails!
Taste on it!
Just a guy that loved adventure.
Sup YouTube, today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a working morph like this. Now make your part and make it really red color and neon material so it works. Now go to Plugins tab and tap Rig Builder plugin and insert AR15 rig or R6 rig. Wait, this looks ugly, let me insert AR6 rig in Moon Animator. Now rename it to a name. I'm going to rename it to Test Dummy 2. Now customize your rig. I'm going to make it like the guy from Get a Snack at 4 a.m. Insert a script. This script isn't made by me but made by Crimson Corrupted. Put the name of your rig's name inside here. Make sure nothing is anchored in your rig. It works. If you want animation in your morph, search on Toolbox default R6 animation. Bye guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Shout out to Crimson Corrupted for the morphing script. His channel link is in desk and the R6 animation scripts link is also in the desk.